Alpha Gang, what's going on? It is Mike from AlphaGenPerformance. Today is a good day. I have been waiting on this package for actually only about 2 or 3 weeks, but for those that have followed our channel already, you probably already know or have heard me talk about it, or have been posting a lot about this stuff, but it's a lot of ESR Wheels stuff. So basically, I received my ESR wheels that I was looking at. I was looking at the Apex Series, the AP6s. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I did want a lighter weight set for the track, because if you've seen some of our previous videos, I have some of the track videos there. But I was rocking my older set, which was also an ESR set, but they're about 29 pounds. These Apex wheels that they released somewhat recently, they weigh closer to like the 20 to 22 pound range, so it does shave a bit of weight there as well too. And I've been representing ESR for a while, since I started this build. They've always been really good to me, really easy to talk to, so they've been great through the whole process. So I'll show you what I got here and we'll unbox the wheels. Right now they are the boxes that I received. I got them in 2 different sizes. First off, I was planning on going with like a I had a 19-inch wheel originally, but I wanted to go with a lighter 18-inch wheel. These ones, I was gonna go with a square setup originally, kind of similar to what Gen Racer had on theirs, but then I decided against it because I was really happy with my track setup currently, and it felt really balanced. So I basically went with the same setup as I have now, except in an 18-inch wheel. So these ones, just to give you an idea, are an 18 by 9.5, 22 offset or plus 22 offset, and of course there's the bore sizing and all that stuff as well too. These are matte black with some gloss black lip. The rears I did go with same kind of offset as well, except at a 10.5 instead of the 9.5. So here are my old set, which I really love. I still like this set of wheels. It looks good on the car. I'll still use this for the street setup, but when I go to the track, I'll end up swapping for a stickier tire with a 200 tread width rating, which I'll actually be getting at Mercari Auto. You might have seen them in some of my other previous videos as well. They're a great shop. I deal with them on a regular basis. It's super good guys. I love hanging out with those dudes. They're good guys. But yeah, let's go unbox this right away and see what the wheels look like before we open this all up. I just want to mention that the packaging looks really good, and it's packaged really well for shipping. The only reason I mention that is I've gotten wheels before in the past with other builds, and usually it's just in a box or it's fairly damaged. These ones are like really well protected, which is a big thing. So I'm happy about that when I saw the packages arrive as well. Like, just to give you an idea, around the outsides to protect the edges, of course, from getting all banged up possibly in shipping. You guys probably have seen that with other parts, or you're familiar with, you know, your parts getting shipped and all banged up. It's really sturdy, like everything's really solid. This is how everything arrived, like super well shipped, no damages or anything like that. And on the inside, once you pull it all off, it's pretty neat. They have everything wrapped up here, and there's like a little ESR cover over the wheels. But yeah, let's get this pulled apart and see what they look like underneath. I'm excited. On here, we'll pull off this cover. Oh, nice packaging once again. Protect the face. Oh yeah, look at these. They look so good. It's like the gloss black around the outside, a little bit of a lip. These are on the fronts, and then I have the flat black for the inside. For the spokes, they look really good. I like this little ESR stamp on the front here for the cap, and then there's also ESR stamped actually into the wheel here. It's not a sticker. This looks really good. This is a nice little detail as well. But yeah, check this out. So now that I got it out of the box, and you guys seen what they look like, which I'm super pumped on. I can't wait to get the tires on and then test it out, of course, on the streets there and the track. I'm gonna have to pull the car back, get it up on blocks, and then I'm just gonna lift up the front end, test out the 18 by 9.5s on the front. I just want to make sure they clear the Brembos before I send them off to get the tires on. So biggest thing I'd probably recommend, even if it's your first time getting aftermarket wheels for yourself or you're thinking about it, test fit them first. Make sure they fit, because a lot of places or wheel companies, if they don't fit and you've already mounted the tires, they won't return them. So usually you just want to make sure everything looks good, they fit well, and then get the tires mounted and go from there. So we're going to do that right now, and then I'll show you what they look like on the car. Of course, it won't quite look the same without tires, and it'll be lifted off the ground, but it'll give you an idea kind of how they're going to look with this black Genesis. I think it's going to go really well together. It'll fit the theme I'm going for the car, and yeah, let's get her done. Out with the old track wheels, the new. Oh, I love these already. I'm so excited to get some rubber on them. Yeah, I was worried that they wouldn't clear the Brembos, but like there's so much room in here. There's a huge gap. So I don't have to worry about the rears. It was more because the bigger setup in the front. I was more concerned about that. So the rears are definitely going to fit, no problem. Oh yeah, I can see my ISC and one coilovers there. But yeah, they look really good. I'm really excited. Even putting these on, I noticed they were so much lighter actually. So like when it's almost like 10 pounds difference, it's huge. So I mean, I still gotta put the tires on, so I mean I'll feel some extra weight there, but already I'm excited to like know what these are gonna feel like on the track. I also removed my spare, because when I ended up going with the Brembo brake upgrade, I heard from other guys and on the forums as well too that the spare tire for like the regular non-Brembo model doesn't fit with the Brembo brake models. So I mean, why have it in the back? So I thought I'd save some weight there. I also pulled that out. It feels like that spare tire maybe weighs like 30 pounds maybe. So a little bit of weight savings there, and almost probably about 40 pounds just with the new wheels. So I'm hoping that makes a big difference with my times when I go back. So hopefully we can shave off a second or two when we hit Stratotech again this season for time attack or the lapping events. But yeah, so far I'm really happy with the way these look. So I just put the car back down, put the old setup, of course, on, just because it has rubber on it. Yeah, other than that, I'm excited. I'm going to be talking to Mercari here shortly to order my rubber for the new set of tires. So these will basically mainly be just a track set that I'll be using for these 18s, just with the tire wear and stuff like that. And I don't want to go through too much rubber with the tread wear, just with regular daily driving and stuff like that in the summer. So it'll be nice to have two sets for my street set and of course the track set as well too. I will be posting up more track videos as we get to it, of course, just to show the differences, maybe before and after times. And of course, a lot of it's not due to the wheels. It'll be due to a lot of driver and just me improving, of course, just from the last time I was there. So I'm expecting some nice changes. So actually, this is kind of a nice backdrop with the ESR wheels in the back. But I thought I would do another announcement. If you follow me on Instagram, I do mention a lot of stuff in my stories and stuff like that. And I do post a lot about ESR wheels, of course, just because they've been with me since the beginning, since I started the brand. So I love repping them. They've been really good to me as well. Same with ISC, UniqPerformance, Street Aero as well too, and all the other local companies that I'm associated with as well too, that you probably see in my tags, in my posts and stuff like that. But as for the announcement, now that I got this 18-inch set in for myself, I actually ordered these through the company. So I am actually an ESR Wheels dealer. So if you are looking for a set of ESRs yourself, and you're in the States or Canada, just let me know and I can get a set shipped out to you. Pricing is pretty competitive as well too, so I can see what I can do there for you. But I'm super stoked to go a little bit further with representing this company and pushing them out on the street as well as on the truck as well too. So I'm stoked. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram if you're looking at ordering wheels yourself, or even send any inquiries to my email, which is AlphaGenPerformance@hotmail.com. I'll put that info down below, of course, just in the details. So if you have any questions or want to contact me about that kind of stuff, or maybe if you're looking for a certain set of ESRs that you want to get ordered. So I'm super pumped to announce that. And yeah, I hope to see more of you guys out of the truck and on the street as well, and at some of the meets this summer. So once again, that wraps up another video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you don't follow us already, hit that subscribe button and follow along, of course, with the rest of the videos. But other than that, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.